The next one is similar. It says, find ways to move on and not dwell on the past. The more you think about something and try to forget it, is the more you remember it. It's just how it works. And so we sometimes have to find ways of replacing the feeling that I feel because of the hurt with something positive. Sometimes I have to sing worship songs until the worship song helps me to move on from what has happened in the past, because I still hurt. Final point in these suggestions, and then I have one more thing to say. Pray that the lessons you learned from experience may benefit others. You hurt me and it tears me up, but God, grant that I will not cause harm. Jabez, his name suggested that he was a hurt person, but then Jabez prayed and said, Lord, grant that I will not cause harm. And then when we are hurt, especially when the hurt has come against us, we need to pray and say, God, I know I have been hurt, but I'm asking you to cause that hurt that I feel to become a blessing for somebody else, that I can share my testimony and bless this other person. Let me wrap up by going back to the big fish, Peter.